Hey guys, what's up? Yoga Fitness has been so excited to offer live online certifications over the past several months through some crazy times. And I want to tell you, and Thomas wants to tell you some really awesome things that it comes with and what's upcoming. Yoga is a high-intensity interval training format based in plyometric movement, really functional body weight movement that implements that simple fluid yoga as an amazing, safe, active recovery.
Yeah,
awesome
guys,
stuff.
Every month we're running one of these certifications, and it's almost as if Yoga was made for the times. Even in our manual it says, give yourself a 6-foot area in any direction, right? And this was before now, right? Before our little mandates and marching orders throughout the country. But listen, it's not only that, but it's loaded with social emotional learning tools, goal setting tools, minutes of movement, implementing a movement culture. There is so much built into this day that it can literally fuel you for immense success. I mean, beyond Yoga, we have so much resourcefulness beyond the industries of fitness and PE and things like that. Beyond those industries, we have so much resourcefulness to give to you that can rock. But even over and above that, something that's super cool is our registration is $59 right now. If you want, you can register though for $40 more and get the manual in the mail. You can get our whole 8-piece fitness kit, which is normally $95. And
So cool.
It comes with our case method series, which is on USB, and all the education to also teach case method. So realistically, there's really nothing right now in the industry that even touches this, and we want to invite you to come out and be part of it. We guarantee the day will rock for you. It's a guarantee. You know, there's no equipment in our format. So one of the things that people are running into right now is, you know, how do I be effective? How do I be remote? How do I be the best I can be with and offer various things beyond dance and other formats like that that have no equipment, that have nothing that you need to get to your clients, that have nothing you need to get to your students. It's
And also
priceless.
that you can do in a limited space. You can
Exactly.
literally be in this tiny little box and need nothing at all and get an effective, smart, balanced workout for all ages and fitness levels, and that's the beauty of it. It kind of brings that whole no excuses to the game for anyone that you're working with.
Yeah, guys, so let's come sign up for our group certification. Let's get your CEUs, your hours, let's rock, and let's bring it to the next level, and let us teach you why your body is
Power!
yes.